Hello everyone, this is Don's Meditations, and today's video is going to be the benefits of Seamoss and how it helps your body. Seamoss is a really good herb that your body needs because it has a lot of minerals. It has a lot, so I'm gonna share some benefits of Seamoss with you. So Seamoss has 92 of 102 minerals the body is made of and needs for optimal health. It strengthens the bones, joints, and ligaments. It helps with weight loss, purifies the blood, produces healthy skin, hair, and nails. And it can also be used as a face mask. Yeah, a lot of women use it as a beauty regimen to put it on their face. So you can put it on your face, your skin, and it helps, cleanse your skin, remove acne and all that. So for me, I know when I use it, I've been using it for a while, like about going on 7 months. And I like to work out, like to play basketball. And I used to have a lot of joint pains in my shoulders. I had joint pain in my shoulders, and my knee, my right knee. I used to have a lot of soreness in my right knee, in my wrists, in my elbow. And once I started using the Seamoss, I think I started noticing a difference within like a month. I started noticing a difference. I started seeing gradual change, and I started noticing, like, especially when I noticed in my shoulder, because I used to have a lot of shoulder pain, and I started noticing that my shoulder wasn't sore anymore. Like, it started going away. It started getting more looser. I started moving my shoulder around. I'm like, oh man, my shoulder is feeling pretty good. Like, because it would always feel like just like really sore, and I would always be like trying to massage it out and trying to do different things to kind of like loosen up my shoulders and stuff like that. It was mostly in my right side, my right shoulder. I would notice it mainly. So yeah, I noticed it mainly in my right shoulder. I would experience most of the pain. Excuse me. Yeah. But after, I say like a month, I started feeling better. Then my knee, I started noticing my knee was feeling better. And so I said, wow, there's something to this. So, and at first I was doing Seamoss powder, but then I switched over to the Seamoss gel. That's when I noticed a really big difference. I started doing the Seamoss gel consistently because I was reading different stuff about, different people getting results from the Seamoss gel, and so I said, well, let me try the Seamoss gel. So I would do it. I bought the Seamoss. I bought the Seamoss, the raw Seamoss, and I prepared it. I started preparing it and taking the gel form, and that's when I started really noticing the difference. But the Seamoss powder is good too. Anyway, so yeah, so it has a lot of minerals, 92 of 102 minerals that your body needs, and also, like I said, it purifies the blood, produces healthy skin, hair, nails, can be used as a face mask, it nourishes the skin, good for respiratory health, builds immune system, helps with thyroid issues, balances hormones in women, which is caused by lack of iodine. That's true. It is. And selenium, which Irish Seamoss has full of them. Full of selenium, full of iodine. It helps with fertility and menstrual problems in women. Yeah, so for women, this is very good to add to your health. It's really good. Also, Seamoss is full of iodine. Seamoss also cleanses the blood by removing toxins and bacteria from the bloodstream. It's great for recovery for athletes by putting back essential minerals and amino acids into the body. And that's true. So any athletes out there who work out, lift weights or run, it's really good for workout recovery. It really helps, you know, because as for me, like I told you, I play sports and everything. So, and I noticed that I'm not as sore as I usually be. I recover a lot quicker. Like the next day, I'm a lot, you know, I recover a lot quicker. Like my muscles are not sore, I'm not sore, you know. The next day I'm ready to go, you know. So recovery is a lot quicker. It removes mucus out of the body. It's great for men's sexual health because it's high in zinc, and that's true. Like it's super high in zinc. So it'll help boost your zinc levels, because zinc is very important. Zinc for men, for prostate health. If you have any prostate issues, take Seamoss because it's full of zinc, which us men need. Seamoss is amazing, very amazing. It's like, I call it the fountain of youth. It's like Mother Nature's like natural herb, and it's straight from the sea. Seamoss, natural. God made it. So yeah, Seamoss nourishes us with, you know, it's rich in calcium. It is one of the most powerful mineral and nutrient-dense foods on earth. It's rich in calcium, magnesium, selenium, iodine, zinc, potassium, B vitamins, vitamin C, and many, many more minerals. It also has chlorophyll. Also loaded with chlorophyll too, because it comes from the ocean. And ocean plants are usually, you know, chlorophyll rich. Yeah, Seamoss has an abundance of health benefits. It helps with fatigue, muscle and joint pain, overall bone health. It builds your bones. It's good for digestive health. It's good for, you know, like I mentioned, hair and skin. Clears mucus out of the body. Assists in reducing inflammation. It's loaded with iodine, zinc, and selenium, and many other, and more. It has more. It's like the best superfood you can get. It has more than any other food on the planet. It aids in preventing respiratory ailments such as pneumonia, colds, flu, bronchitis, tuberculosis. It also helps with anxiety. Anybody suffering from anxiety, get your Seamoss. Get your Seamoss. And depression. And why does it help with anxiety and depression? Why does Seamoss help with anxiety and depression? Because of the minerals in that Seamoss has. Because of the minerals. It's loaded with magnesium, which your body needs to help calm your nervous system. Loaded with potassium and a lot of other minerals. That's why. It helps with anxiety and depression because it calms the central nervous system. It does. But at the same time, you cannot be eating a bunch of sweets and processed foods and cakes, cookies, pies, chips. You cannot make that your main diet if you want to really see the full effects. I mean, yeah, you can eat those things occasionally, you know, for a treat. But you got to incorporate a good diet. You know, you have to incorporate your fruits and vegetables, your nuts and seeds, your beans, lentils, vegetables, avocados, healthy, overall healthy diet. You got to incorporate a good diet in order to see the real benefits of the Seamoss. You can't expect to have all these great benefits and then you're going out eating burgers every day or hot dogs every day or pizza every day. No, you're not going to see the benefits. So if you're taking Seamoss and then you're saying, oh, well, I'm taking Seamoss and I'm going to eat this and that. No, you're not going to get the full benefits. It'll help some, but really not like you like. You're not going to see the results until you really, you know, you incorporate some good foods into your diet. It's important. You can't expect, you know, to, you know, get all the benefits like that. Well, Seamoss also helps detoxify the digestive system. And it's an aphrodisiac because it's very rich in zinc, which helps boost testosterone and male performance. So yeah, it has a lot of benefits. And I also, you know, I distribute it, I make it, and you know, I make it for people. So yeah, if you're interested in this and getting some Seamoss, you can purchase it from me. You can go to my Instagram and DM me, and I can ship it out to you. I make 16-ounce jars of Seamoss gel and also 32-ounce jars of Seamoss gel. I'm at don.dmg23. That's my Instagram, so you can hit me up with my DM, don.dmg23. Don DMG. Yeah. I'll leave my link I'll leave my Instagram in the description. So anyway, I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe if you like this content, so that the channel can advance and reach out to other people. Thank you for watching. Appreciate it. Hope you are having a great day. Please like and subscribe again, and have a great day. Peace, love, and positive vibrations.